it will be only 19 lines of code, and you will be able to detect faces within the images, as you can see on my window. As like always, I am going to create a folder for this project on my desktop named as Face Detector. I have downloaded couple of sample images from Google. You can check out and download your favorite images for face detection. Now I am going to show the code. You can get this code from my GitHub. I have given link in the description. Let's open this code in Jupyter Notebook. So guys, if you have not installed CV2 within your environment, you can go to your console and type pip install OpenCV Python. Now here I am utilizing couple of libraries like NumPy, Request and CV2, and I am downloading this XML file from the Haar Cascade detectors of CV2. Once you will run this code, you will be able to download this Haar Cascade classifier, and if you go back to your directory, you will get this Haar Cascade frontface.default XML file. Now we have these sample images saved within this folder, so we are going to apply this detector on top of these images. Before we apply this code, I will just give you a brief what this code is doing. So guys, we are reading the image from our image dataset. Then we are loading this Haar Cascade classifier, which we downloaded in the upper part of the code. Then we are converting our image to a grayscale image and applying this classifier on top of the image. This classifier detects faces within the image and returns you the coordinates of the bounding box for the face. And then we are putting up a text named as face on top of that bounding box. In the final, your image may have bigger size than the screen resolution. So we are changing the image size to 1280 and 720, which is my screen resolution. You can change to your screen resolution as well. After that, we are utilizing CV2 IamShow method to show the image with the bounding box. Let's load couple of images, and you can see we have couple of images of some famous personalities. I'm going to apply this detector on top of these images, and you will be able to see the bounding box on top of the image. So let's run this code on the first image. And here you can see this is the image of Warren Buffett, and you are getting a face detector on top of this image. Let's test this out with some other images. And here you can see this is the image of some model, and you are getting this bounding box on top of the image. I have applied this bounding box on top of all these images, and you can see the results on the window. So guys, you can get this code on my GitHub. I have given link in the description. If you have liked the video, don't forget to press the subscribe button and bell icon. I'll catch up with you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.